In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Natural Reader to Chrome. If you want web pages, PDFs, emails, or Google Docs read aloud with clear, natural-sounding voices, adding the Natural Reader extension to Google Chrome is a quick way to get started. I'll walk you through installing it, making it easy to access, and a few tips to use it effectively on a desktop computer, including Windows 11. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. To install the extension safely, head to the Chrome Web Store. The fastest way is to search for Natural Reader AI Text-to-Speech Chrome. In the search results, click the official Natural Reader extension page. On that page, press the Add to Chrome button. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download the extension and set it up for you automatically. You might see a brief download indicator and then a confirmation that the extension has been added. That's it. Chrome handles the installation from start to finish with no extra steps required. Next, let's make sure Natural Reader is always easy to find. Look at the top right of Chrome for the small puzzle piece icon labeled Extensions. Click it to open your extension list. Find Natural Reader in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning moves the Natural Reader button onto your toolbar, right by the address bar, so it's always one click away. This is optional, but highly recommended if you plan to use it frequently. Here are some quick tips to get the most out of it. Natural Reader works on most web pages, many PDFs that open in Chrome, emails in your browser, and Google Docs. If you only want part of a page read aloud, highlight the specific text, then use the Read Selection option in the Natural Reader controls to focus on exactly what you need. Keep in mind that Chrome extensions run on desktop versions of Chrome only. Mobile Chrome on phones and tablets doesn't support extensions, so you'll want to be on a laptop or desktop for this to work. Once you've installed and pinned Natural Reader, you're ready to go. Open a page, click the Natural Reader button on your toolbar, and follow the on-screen controls to start listening. With installation handled by the Chrome Web Store and a pinned icon for quick access, you can move from discovering content to hearing it read aloud in just a couple of clicks. Enjoy a more accessible, hands-free way to consume information across your favorite sites and documents.